Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys staying safe, stay blessed. Welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. Guys, today Chef Will is gonna prepare one of his special recipe. Guys, it's an old-time recipe. I got one of my lemon and herb chicken breasts. That's what I'm gonna do today. It's a quick one, guys. That's for my dinner tonight. All right, I want to share it with you guys. So I'm gonna have that with some salad, guys, and guys, I'm also gonna use some bulgur wheat, guys. That's what I'm gonna have with it. So guys, we're just gonna jump right in and get the lemon herb chicken going. All right, I just want to share my recipe with you guys. Sharing the love, and you guys share back the love. That's a thumbs up. Subscribe. All of you guys who are new, I'm Chef Will, and welcome to Will's Kitchen Table. All right, guys, let's get it going. So guys, I got 4 chicken breasts right here. 4 chicken breasts. What I did, guys, I cut them in half. All right. They say these were raised without antibiotic, guys. So I don't know. That's what was on the package. So I said, hey, this must be good. So this is 4 pieces I got right here, and I slit them right in half. All right. So they can cook pretty fast on the grill and also stay moist, because you don't want your chicken too dry. I'm gonna put them on the grill outside, guys, and get it going. So guys, the way I do my lemon and herb chicken, got all my herbs right here. This is Italian flat leaf parsley, guys. I'm just gonna put it right in this little ninja I got right here. This is just the baby of the big one. I think I got 3 of those, guys. Just gonna dump this right inside. I got 4 cloves of garlic right here, going in there as well. And my herbs already washed, guys. Chicken already washed. I wash it with vinegar and lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. All right, and guys, I got a half of a white onion right here going inside, and I got 1 stalk of green onion, guys. Just dump everything right inside. Half of fresh lemon. Squeeze that right in there. Beautiful. Okay guys, so let's deal with the spices. That's the lemon went in. All right, so I got 1 teaspoon of garlic powder right here, 1 teaspoon of chicken spice. Whatever chicken spice you have, guys, you can use. All right, just gonna dump this in there. And I got 1 teaspoon of Greek spice right there, so that's a Greek mix, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Guys, if you don't have the Greek mix, you can use some all-purpose seasoning. That will work as well. And I got a teaspoon of oregano and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Because guys, lemon already salty, the spices, so you don't want to add too much spice. Guys, I got some white balsamic vinegar right here. Just gonna add teaspoon of that inside there. Let's do 2 teaspoons. All right, and then olive oil, baby, that's my best friend. No, you guys are my best friend too, but hey, love this olive oil. All right, I'm just gonna shake roughly about a 1/4 cup inside there. All right, we're gonna blend this out, guys. All right, and dump it right on that chicken there. Okay, just gonna make sure everything get blended. Get a spoon, guys. Scrape the side down. Looking good. Beautiful. So guys, let's get this right on the chicken, all right? And if you don't have green onions, guys, scallion works as well. They're from the same family, all right? So just gonna pour that baby right on there, all right? Beautiful. So guys, hands right in. Mix that baby right in there. All right. Beautiful. All right, guys, I'm just gonna let this sit for a good 15 minutes. I'm gonna go and get the grill on right now so it can get hot. And then, guys, I'm gonna take you guys outside, all right? So guys, right now, the grill is on, guys. It's getting hot. We're gonna get outside and we're gonna get the chicken on there, guys. But first thing, I wanna get this right on the stovetop, guys. All right, this is the whole wheat bulgur. All right, guys. So I just sprinkle had about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder to this, guys, and salt to your taste, guys. And I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil in there, or you can use butter, guys. And what I'm gonna do, guys, actually I'm using a piece of butter in mine. There we go. I got some fresh callaloo right here, guys, from the garden. Guys, normally I use spinach in this, but guys, some nice callaloo I cut in the back there, guys. It's beautiful, wash and ready to go, guys. I'm gonna put a handful right inside here, guys. All right, and that's a cup and a half of the wheat I got in here, guys, the bulgur wheat. All right, so guys, I'm gonna get some water in here, guys. It's similar to your rice. It just take a little bit less water, guys. I would say about a 1/4 inch over the bulgur. And as soon as it start boiling, guys, you put it roughly in medium heat and check it as you go. All right, guys, we're gonna get this on the stove top and we're gonna get outside. All right, guys, it's time to get this chicken right on the grill right here. It's nice and hot. Beautiful. Guys, we're looking great. Alright, so we're just gonna get these grilled up, guys, and we're gonna get our salad ready. Guys, it's just a simple salad I'm doing, guys, with some feta cheese, tomatoes. I got some of those baby cucumbers. That's what I'm using today. Alright, guys, we're just gonna get this chicken grilled. We're gonna get back inside and we're gonna make a very nice salad, guys. And we got our whole wheat bulgur going, guys. It's gonna be up flavor. Just turn them across so I can get a nice mark on the chicken. Simple and quick dinner, guys. Simple and quick dinner. These are looking lovely, guys. That's what I'm talking about right here, guys. This is the love Beautiful. That's my lemon and herb chicken, guys. That's dinner tonight on Will's kitchen table, guys. Turn the flavor up again. Volume to the max. Guys, this is amazing chicken. I want you guys to try this out at home, guys, and let me know how you guys like it. It's amazing, really simple, guys. Doing less carb today, guys. Guys, right now we're gonna get this chicken off. We want them to stay nice and juicy. That's how they are right now. These are fully cooked. Beautiful, eh? Looking good, guys. That's what we talk about. Flavor up. Alright? Beautiful lemon and herb. Juice. Guys, what I do with my grill as soon as I'm finished, guys, high heat and cover it down and let it burn off. So everything on top, guys, all this stuff just burn right off. Shut it off, cool down my brush. Simple, comes right off. Keep on going, nice and clean. Then I wipe it down, sanitize. Guys, that's how we do it. All right, so guys, olive oil. Got some tomatoes right here, grape tomatoes. Sprinkle a little bit of dry basil on there. Salt, pepper. Gonna get a little bit of nice color on the outside, guys. They're good to go for the salad. I just sear them a little bit, guys. That brings out the sweetness out of the tomato, guys. Take away some of the tangy. It's almost like they're roasted. Such nice flavor to it. Alright, with the basil, dry basil. Guys, we turn it up. Knife is not as sharp. Right, that should do it. Beautiful. All right. So guys, this is what it's like right now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the tomatoes, start them right here. Guys, this is a quick dinner to make, all right? Guys, feta cheese. So I'm cut up some feta right here, all right? Love feta cheese, guys. Right? I mean, you can use whatever cheese you have, but love feta. And that's what I'm using tonight, guys. So guys, this is my quick Monday night dinner. My lemon herb chicken, guys. Just want to share that recipe with you guys. It's amazing if you're looking for something simple and also healthy. That's how you do it, guys. Just put some cheese right in here, all right? Just to get some nice color, guys. Looking good. And then I'll put this in a bowl on the side, all right? Guys, right now we're gonna get the chicken. All right? Get this one in a bowl. So guys, I'm just cutting this up. Gonna also pile it on there, all right? Just simple cut, guys. We'll just pile this right on like that. Guys, this is also nice if you got guests over. Guys, there's no guests over. Alright, this is a family meal right here. Family will love you for this, guys. I just cut the chicken on a nice slant right there like that. Looking beautiful. You just pile it right on. Pile it on, guys. Alright? Guys, that looks amazing right there. That's what I'm talking about. Turn up the flavor, guys. Beautiful. Alright? You just throw them on like that, guys. That's my lemon and herb chicken. Guys, check this out. Alright, we're gonna get this on the table because I wanna have dinner. Guys, I wanna have some salad. Alright? So guys, that's the lemon and herb chicken right there, guys. All you gotta do is just drizzle a little bit of olive oil over this, guys. Some fresh lemon juice, guys. Alright? And you're good to go. Alright, your salad is ready. Guys, we turn it up again. Flavor up we're talking about, guys. Alright? Guys, thanks for watching again, guys. Like, share, guys. Share it, guys. And thanks for watching again. Subscribe to this channel, guys. Thanks. See you in the next one.